Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Hootsuite post scheduling detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin fixing Hootsuite post scheduling issues, first, log into your Hootsuite account. Navigate to the dashboard and locate the content section. Check for any scheduled posts that may have failed. Look for error messages associated with those posts. Take note of the specific errors displayed. Next, ensure that your social media accounts are connected properly. Go to your account settings and verify the connection status. If an account shows as disconnected, click to reconnect it. Once all accounts are properly connected, review the post time settings. Confirm that the scheduled times fall within the accepted posting hours for each platform. Adjust any posts that are scheduled for times outside of those hours. Now, check the content of the posts themselves for any violations. Ensure that your posts comply with the guidelines of the respective social media platforms. If the content appears problematic, edit the posts to meet compliance standards. Next, refresh the scheduling queue by removing and re-adding affected posts. This can refresh the system and clear any temporary glitches. Review your Hootsuite settings related to auto-scheduling options. Consider turning off auto-scheduling if it's causing conflicts. After this, test the scheduling feature with a new post. Create a test post and schedule it for a near future time. Monitor to see if it successfully appears in the scheduled section. If issues persist, clear your browser cache and cookies. Open Hootsuite again and try scheduling a post once more. Finally, if all else fails, reach out to Hootsuite support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issues you're experiencing. This will enable them to offer you targeted solutions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.